How to fix WhatsApp business messages not delivered on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, just scroll down until you find your apps, and now apps again, and then click WhatsApp, and then storage. Now clear cache, and then go to, not WhatsApp, sorry, I mean go to WhatsApp business here, and then click storage, and now clear cache, and then go to permissions and allow storage here, allow it, and then click for stop, this one, and now go to data usage and check this one here. If you found it like that, just allow it. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.